Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to start off this video by saying thank you guys for those who have subscribed to my channel in the past month that I've been gone. I really appreciate it. That means a lot to me. Oh, it fell, of course. But it is much appreciated when you guys subscribe to me. It shows that maybe I do have potential. But today I am going to show you guys the new Farsali Skin Blur Drops. Skintune Blur Drop. I did try it out and I didn't really see a difference in my skin. Maybe you guys can tell me if you've seen a difference, but I'm gonna try it again on camera so you guys can see what it looks like, if it's worth, you know, $54. This is the drop. Have it sit right there. Okay, so it does feel very smooth on the skin, and I'm gonna move the Farsali out of the way, but I feel like this is such a pretty look. I don't know, it was different, so I left it there. But okay, so I took it out the way. We're back to basic life. I don't really see it blurring anything. Do you guys see it? And I know the sun is in my way, but I don't see it blurring anything. I'm gonna still put on my makeup, and it says that you can wear this with or without makeup. I'm choosing to wear it with makeup because I really don't see a difference without the makeup. I don't know, I look the same when I came on camera, in my opinion. I'm gonna carry on with the rest of my makeup. So right now I'm gonna moisturize my lips because they need some life. And I'm using the Sugar Rose Fresh. It was a trial size. It's pretty cool. Okay, so right now I'm using Truffle. Oh god. I'm using Truffle from Fenty Beauty. And I don't really put on that much. It might not even look like I'm putting anything on, but really I am. I'm doing light marks, light swipes. Then I'm contouring with her Espresso. I should have brought a mirror because I can't see. I'll be back, you guys, because I really need a mirror. I feel like I can't do this without a mirror. So yeah. Oh shit. Alright guys, I am back and I'm better. So cool. Yep, see? I got parts of my face that I didn't even get. And y'all, I forgot to disclose that I forgot to disclose that I already did my eyebrows off camera. So if they look I don't know, I gotta pluck my eyebrow. I'm gonna set my face. I'm using, I was about to say Airspun, but I'm using the Laura Mercier. Where is the label? Oh, it's pretty much rubbed off. Yeah, the sun went down a little bit. That makes me feel good. So I'm using this beauty blender. I know it looks dirty, but that's my skin color. That's why it's so dirty. Okay, I really make no sense right now because I definitely ran for my mirror and I'm not even using it. not using it, girl. Okay, so next I'm going to highlight, and I'm using the Iconic London in the shade Glow. I'm going to use Bite with my number 7 clear lip gloss. It's not clear anymore, and as you can see, it's very empty. I absolutely love this number 7 high shine lip gloss. It is $10 from the drugstore, but honestly, it's gonna be the best $10 you ever spend on a clear lip gloss in your entire life. And then this is a lip gloss, but it doesn't give me that shine that I'm looking for. And also it's a bit dark, like it's a very dark brown. I could wear it by itself, but I like my clear lip gloss, and I feel like it gives it more shine when I do use it. So I'll show you guys. Like, that's how dark it is. But I only put a light coat on. So it gives it like a very nice dark, like pink color to my lips. And then I take my favorite lip gloss and I apply it. And that's the shine that I'm truly looking for with a lip gloss. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my my eyeliner off camera, as well as my mask. It's getting hot. This sun is like doing the most. I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll come back when I'm done and you'll see the finished look. Thank you guys. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I did my liner and my mascara off camera. Oh, you know, I literally thought this was like a makeup tutorial, but I forgot that I'm actually just letting you guys see how the Farsali looks on me, I guess. I don't notice a difference in my makeup. I feel like it looks flawless still. Like, my skin does look amazing. I was looking in the in my mirror and I'm like, oh my god, like, your skin does look really good. Do I think you need to buy it? Probably not. But yeah, I really like it. I'm not gonna return it. Like, I usually try to tell you guys if I'm gonna return a product. Oh, my hands are shaking. I usually tell you guys if I'm going to return a product. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing if you have. And I will see you guys in the next video.